Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw this Pachinko boss that never made it into the Cuphead game. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this Pachinko, and to begin we're going to draw out his eyes first. So we're just going to draw two big circles. That's one, and then just off to the side, just draw another big circle. Okay, and then now we're going to draw the inside of the eye, so it's going to be another circle. And there's going to be a smaller one in there as well. Okay, so we'll draw the same thing on the other side. Then a smaller one. And then I'm going to leave a little highlight, so I'm going to draw another smaller circle. And then I'm going to make it black around it, just so that I can have a little bit of highlight here in the eye. Okay, and then from there we're going to draw his nose, so it's just right in the middle. I'm going to come down with one big curve. And then this side is going to turn in this way because we're kind of seeing the face at a slight angle. Okay, so it looks really weird, right? Okay, and then from there we're going to draw his mouth. So right here, we're just going to go out. Just go out almost, to the edge of the eye. And then from there, we're going to turn it back in. This is going to be his mouth. Okay, and then we're just going to come back straight. Across. Okay, and then now we can draw his teeth, which is really easy. So it'll just be one line, two on this side and two on this side. Okay, and then I'll add a little bit of mark here. Looks like his gum. Okay, and then from there we can finish up. Well, let's finish up the mouth first. So just right underneath, we'll just continue this curve. This is gonna be part of his face. Okay, so we're just gonna the same curvature as the mouth. And then from there, now we can finish off the face. So we just go up. Okay, on both sides. And then we're gonna curve it in a little bit. And don't go all the way across. And then in here, it's gonna be these two flippers right on top right here. So we're gonna go up. And then right here, we're gonna continue this, just kind of up and curve it. And then this side is gonna be the same thing. Go up, curve it, and just come back down right around there. Again, we're seeing it at a slight perspective, so it's not as simple. So here, that's gonna be the top of his head, and then this is gonna be the opening. So we'll draw like a little oval there, and then we're gonna, in here, just give a little bit of a lip here. So it looks a little three-dimensional. So in here is actually, I'll just shade it in so we can make it look like there's a hole in there, right? Okay, and then right here, we just add a little bit of line. Okay, so let's finish off this little piece here. So in here, again, just follow the same shape. Okay, and then from here, now let's draw in the little things on the side. Looks like handles. So we're gonna go out. Curve. I'm gonna go out again, and then we're just gonna connect this. Okay, now this is the trickier part. So we just come out a little bit, and then we're gonna finish with the opposite curve here. So again, we're seeing this at a slight angle. Okay, and then from here, let's just draw another curve, the same as that, and then now we connect this line. Okay, and then up here, I'll draw another curve, and then we're gonna connect this. So we're seeing it at a slight angle, that's why we're seeing the side of it. And then from here, let's finish off the side. So we're just gonna come down, and then just kind of tuck it in. Now it looks three-dimensional. All right, so now the other flipper is gonna be easier. So we're just gonna draw one curve like this, and an opposite curve. And now we're going to draw this curve here, Same thing. And then just close that off. And there's going to be a little bit of detail here, so I'm going to draw one little loop in here and in here. Okay, so it's very, very easy. Looks like there's going to be a line right here too, so we'll just draw another curve. Okay, and then now for the little rollers on the bottom. So from the middle, just draw one, and then there's going to be two on each side, so we're going to draw two. And there's going to be a little bit of detail here. So just draw like a smaller curve inside. And that's it for this Pachinko boss that never made it into the Cuphead game. So hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up and I will see you next time.